Okay, so here we are at the displaying products and categories on pages. And I guess it should just say on your website, because that's what we're going to show you. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and log into your dashboard. And let's go in here to products. Actually, let's go to pages. And let's go to our example page. Or excuse me, example landing page. Okay. So let's go in here and say instead of this code block, let's see right here. On our landing page here, instead of this code block, say this is you talking about this product and say, hey, buy this product. So let's just get rid of this code block altogether. And let's just click add element. And what we're going to do is scroll down here. Move cart. We're going to go to Woo shortcodes. And what we're going to do here is we're going to click on product by SKU. And then what we're going to do here is we need to go to our products. Let's go to WooCommerce products. And we need to pick a product. So as you can see here, we have all these different IDs. It says 136, 153, 131, 129. These are the product numbers you need. So let's just do this one, 129. 129. And you can set SKUs for your product, SKU numbers too. But we haven't done that, so let's click save. Click update. And of course, imagine this is you speaking and not Will Smith about your product or whatever you're doing. Okay, so let's reload this. And it didn't show up. Hold on. Woo shortcodes product ID equals. Oh, that would be my fault. For some reason, it didn't get all the numbers. 129. My apologies. Probably because my keyboard wasn't connected to my Bluetooth. Okay, let's try that again. Save and update. There you go. You've reloaded it, and now you're talking. Imagine this: you talking about a Cyberry, and now they can come down here and buy it. And then just add it to cart, check out the details, and there you go. And that is how to display a product on your landing page or anywhere. All right, now let's go back in here. Let's go to a different page. Okay, so now we know how to display a product on like a landing page for a single product. Let's show you how to display all four, or even a product category. So we'll go to pages, we'll go to home page. Okay. So let's go down here and let's say, hey, We want to put a store right here. Let's double this separator. Get a little space under there for our store. So let's come in here and click container. Now there's a couple ways you could do this. Let's click this one, just this big solid one. Okay, you could, let's go in here, and this is how we're going to do this. We're going to go to Whoosh Shortcodes, product categories. It's going to say product category number. So what we're going to do now is click categories over here. And we're going to display our favorites. So what we want to do here is there's two ways to do this, and unfortunately I can't move my mouse to show you. But if you look down in the middle of the screen and about right here, just keep looking right here, and I'm going to scroll over the favorites. And see how it says ID equals 223. Oops, sorry. ID equals 23. That's how you want to get your number. Alright. And you just got to scroll over it, and I think probably another way I don't know of. Yeah. Yeah, that's what you want to do. You want to scroll over that, and that's how you get your number. So wait, what did we say it was? It was scroll over favorites. ID equals 23. So we could come in here now and put number 23 because that's the category we're looking to display. Let's save it and click update. And let's make sure it works. Okay, so that's pretty cool, huh? Now someone can come in and buy your product. Just a single product. You could talk about it. Hey, check out this acai berry. This is what it does. It's great for the skin. And you could set a discount if you want and everything. Okay, so that's a landing page product. So this is saved. Let's go ahead and view it and see if it displayed our product category. If we scroll down, it certainly did. Now, that's actually not really what I meant to do. If we were to put featured images in here, it'd show all our different categories. See detox, favorites, mental health, overall health, and superfruit. Didn't really do what I was thinking, but it did display the categories, and you could put images in here and go in your settings, and that would show up. Okay, that's way to display categories. So let's go in here and say we don't want to display a category. Let's say we just want to make a store. Let's go into Whoosh Shortcodes. Or we just want to display one category. There you go. Products by category slug. 12 for date equal. Alright, so I think it was 23. Let's check again. Yeah. Let's see what this one does. See right in here in between the little quotations, just put your 23 in there and click save and update. Reload it and see what it did. So these should disappear, but if you want to display your categories, that's one way to do it. Aha! See, it worked beautifully. And again, what we did here is we went in to our Whoosh Shortcodes and we picked category, the product category, and we put our number category in there. Okay? So that's pretty cool. And that is how to display your categories and your products on your website. Now, I'm going to show you something else really quick. Let's go in here and delete this one. Click Element and go back to Whoosh Shortcodes again. Now let's say you just want to come in here and display a bunch of different products that you pick. So what we're going to do is go products, not product. products by ID and SKU. Let's click this. And what we're going to do is put in between these quotation marks. Let's go in here. Click on these 4 products right here under count so we have access to our products, or you can just pick products. Okay, we're going to do 136, put a comma, and then go 133. We're just going to add them all manually. 136, comma, 133, comma, 131 and 129. Okay, and let's click save. And it should have the exact same effect. So honestly, this shouldn't even change. This is just another way to do it. But if you didn't want to display a category and say you wanted to, there was 4 products in this category, but you want to display like 8 products, you could either make a new category or you could do it just like I just showed you and put your products in manually. And that should have worked. So let's find out. Let's reload this. And let's see if these products stay here. And they should stay. Yeah, worked like a charm. Okay, so that's the 2 ways to do it. You go in here and you use your Woo shortcodes. You just click element and you go down here all the way to the bottom. And as you can see, you can add other stuff in here too. WooCart coupons, table, bunch of different stuff, shipping. Okay, but mainly what we're doing is shortcodes. That's really what we want. Shortcodes, and if you click up here, you can put them by product on this one. You can put them by products, so you can put multiple ones at a time. And you can put in product categories, so you can put in a specific category. And again, the way to do that is to come here, and in your products, your ID numbers are right here. Okay, and you'll just put your ID numbers in when you click product or products, and then put a comma and put them in. And if it's categories, just put product categories. And again, just go to your categories. Up here under your products, it'll say categories. And then scroll over whichever one it is. And again, it's going to pop up right down here, right at kind of the middle left a little bit, to the left of the middle right here. About a third of the way through, so just scroll over it. And when that pops up, it's going to say, in this case, ID equals 23. If it was a Superfruit one, ID equals 19. Alright, so just take that number and then just put it right in here between these 2 quotation marks. And that's how you set up your products. Alright? And anywhere in your site. Now really quick, before we end this, I'm going to show you 2 more things really quick. Let's click on our favorites again. Let's view this as Cyberry. Now when you view a product, up here at the top, you can just highlight the URL and copy that URL. And then you can put this on your social media or anywhere else on the internet, blogs and forums, and promote this product. Say, check out this product. And if they click on this link up here, it'll link them to this product, okay? So you can promote this product. Now that you've set this up, you can promote this product anywhere on the internet with this link right here, okay? So keep that in mind. Now another thing I want to show you really quick is if you go down here to widgets, this is another way that you can display products. Wow, it looks frozen. There we go. So widgets. Oh, it kind of, maybe it is frozen. That's weird. Let's reload this. Looks like we accidentally kind of corked it up a little bit. So let's go down here to our widgets. Okay. And as you're going to see, if you scroll down here, you can go right here to products. Let's click on this. Let's see what this says. A list of your store's products. Okay. Keep scrolling. That might be what we're after. Oh, here we go. Products by category. And then just products. So let's click on this and add this to like our footer widget for it. And see if we can display a product. Products to show. We just want one product. Okay, it's going to show all products. We don't need that. So that's one way to do it. You can display that there, but I was looking more for just displaying one. Okay. Well, there's a couple ways to go about this. You can go in here and maybe find a plugin that'll do this. But let's keep in mind too, you can also add an image. So let's go here and add this to the third one. And in that image, let's go to our third one. Let's add our image. You can just take one of these. This is Cyberry, since we already have this open. Or we did. Let's grab this as Cyberry. There it is. Just click on this. And let's take this link right here. Copy it. And just put that link in there. Click save. And that's another way you can display a product. But I'm betting if you go put in WooCommerce, there's going to be a plugin to display products. I just never really, to be honest with you guys, I never put products on the bottom here. I always leave that open for other stuff. But if you want to do that, that's no big deal. See, look. It's kind of displaying the colon clear. And you can put some products under here. See, that's kind of cool, I guess. You can go in here and put like 4 of them. Click save, see what that does. And then this image up here, let's make sure it's saved. Yeah. So let's reload this. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that's actually not too bad. Okay, so it showed all these products up here. Cool. And you can pick any of these products. That was kind of cool. It's not too bad. And keep in mind, you can add more plugins that'll make widgets that do all sorts of stuff, carousels, and all sorts of stuff. Okay, just if you want to take the time and look into that, go for it. All right, and then here's our other product for our Cyberry. So you can click on any of these, and it'll take you to the products. If you click on this as Cyberry, it's going to take you to the Cyberry. Yep, and there it is. And then if you click on, obviously if you click on any of these, let's go ahead and test it. It's going to take you to whichever one you clicked on. which in our case is krill oil. Cool, huh? So that's how to display products on and categories on your website. And keep in mind, you can always take these links up here when you're clicking on these products and copy them and put them in anywhere. Blogs, forums, social media, all over the place. All right, so pretty cool, huh? You got a nice, cool little store, and you know how to display products now. And you're set up and ready to go. And that's pretty cool too. It just automatically shows these featured products, and that's really cool. You got a nice little setup going. All right, guys. So I think that's it for this one, for this video. We might add some more, but go ahead and go to the next one, which I believe is our membership training. All right, but go ahead and set up your store, and yep, that's pretty much it. Set up your store, display some products and maybe some categories, maybe set up a landing page, display a product on it, and you're all set up. And then go ahead and move on to the next segment.